Welcome to our tutorial on how to view all your liked posts on Facebook. Let's walk through the steps together. Start by opening the Facebook app on your Android device to access your account settings. Tap on the three lines at the top right corner of the screen to access the menu options. Next, tap on the settings icon to enter the settings menu. Select Account Center from the options provided to manage your account settings. Then, tap on Your Information and Permissions to access detailed information about your account. Navigate to Access Your Information and tap on it to proceed. Select your Facebook activity to review your activity on the platform, including likes and reactions. Lastly, under Comments and Reactions, tap on Likes and Reactions to see all the posts you've liked and reacted to on Facebook. By following these steps, you can easily track and view all the posts you've liked and reacted to, helping you stay engaged with the content that interests you. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to view all your liked posts on Facebook. Stay connected and engaged with the posts you appreciate by accessing and managing your liked posts efficiently. Explore your liked posts to stay connected with the content you enjoy and interact with the posts that resonate with you.